Exercise 5. British Trade. You will hear a talk about British trade in 1993. As you listen, write down the percentages in the appropriate places. Look at two pie charts below. They give you some information about British trade by geographical distribution in 1993. The left pie chart is for exports, and the right one is for imports. Now let's look first at the left pie chart, the exports pie chart. You can see the European Union took a big proportion of Britain's exports trade in 1993. It accounted for 53%, and the other countries took 15%. Oil exporting countries took 5%, and other developed countries were 4%. North America took 14%, and other Western Europe countries took 8% of Britain's export trade in 1993. Now let's take a look at the right pie chart, which is for imports. The distribution here is similar. The European Union took 50% of Britain's imports in 1993. The other Western Europe countries took 12%. North America took 13%, and other developed countries took 7%. Oil exporting countries took only 3% of Britain's imports. The other countries took 15% of Britain's imports.